In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and then first of all, we need to go to someone's Facebook profile which we would like to report. Let it be that user. Once we have opened their profile, we need to tap right here at these three dots. We'll be taken to this page where we can easily find Report Profile option. On that step, we need to select a problem like pretending to be someone, fake account, fake name, posting inappropriate things, harassment or bullying, or something else. Depending on the problem you select, the following steps will be different. Let's say if we select pretending to be someone, we'll be asked to select me, friend, celebrity or business. If we tap at celebrity, it will ask us to enter which celebrity they are pretending to be. If we tap at a fake account, we'll just be able to tap at submit, and so on. So guys, that's how you can easily report Facebook account.